Do you remember previous video? Difficulty question, I agree with you. Let me give you a hint. Just look here. Yes, here. Create responsive homepage as a part of integrated website. As I mentioned before, after this course we'll have a real website. Now with some of brain refreshment, let's choose the registration part. This what we will do in this video. If you are interested, keep watching. Hi everyone, I hope that you are doing well and everything perfect. Who see me first time, my name is Nazar Alamery and welcome to my channel. Today we'll create a new web page from the beginning to the end as a registration form for our suggested website. Are you ready? Let's get started. As usual, I'll open the Visual Studio Code and create a new file. I'll call it registration.html. But let me do something easier. As you see, index file is opened and I'll select save as registration.html. I think you are wondering why he did that. The main reason is saving effort and time, because we need most of these codes. I had explained this code in the previous video. If you did not watch it, my advice is watching it. I'll put the link in the description box, or it will appear in the right or left upper corner. Actually, it's confusing me, right or left, but for sure it's available in the description box. Check it please. Here we go. We saved it. Here's the work area. This is our file. Brilliant. Div tag for registration box, which contain the form. Give it a class regbox. In style file, we have to write a style code for mentioned class. Nice. Now let's begin with the form contents. We need some of text box here. Copy it and paste it over and over. That's enough. Let me explain what's happened here. In the form we have text boxes. Each one of those has type, ID and placeholder. We used here 4 types of text box: text, email, phone and password. ID for distinguishing it in JavaScript. Finally, placeholder to view caption to user or website visitors. Let's make some change here. Let's see. Refresh. Nice result we have. Here registration container, which has regbox class. As you see, this is the placeholder with the value first name. We need to add some aesthetics to our text boxes and button. Input style relevant to regbox class in style file. Perfect results. Also, we have to specify input style features in general by adding background and color to it. Mouse hover is crucial for beautifying the button. Let's see the result. Nice. I think the title color would be elegant with the white color. Perfect. Also, alignment in center will be more elegant. Center alignment has been added in style file. What's happened? In the center alignment, class must be together with the reg box. So, okay, perfect result. Here my favorite part, JavaScript. In the previous video, I told you that you have to follow a particular structure when you're creating a website folders and files. As a result, we'll create a new folder for the JavaScript files. I'll call it JS. With a new file, I'll call it myjava.js. At the beginning, this file will be contain two functions for checking email format. Now we have to call this file in our page. Just type JavaScript and choose the second one. Write the path of JavaScript file. Nice. Before using it on keyab event in the email text box, we also need to call jQuery.js file and put it in front of all Java calls. By the way, all these files, I'll put a link in the description below to download them. Now we write the path of jQuery file. You know, I put it in the same folder, JS folder. Now we'll call function validate to check the email on keyab event. Why keyab? To be sure that the user finished typing. I'm going to try it. Perfect. Finally, checking all the fields is very important because all of them are valuable to us. Check fields function. As you see, we are dealing with the object's ID to get their values in JavaScript function. This condition is for ensuring that the fields are not empty. This part for displaying HTML code to be implemented, or to be precise, or interpreted on the web page. The mentioned HTML code will be displayed here in this div tag. On our web page, I mean. Why that's happened? Because we used the id true_show to div tag in our web page. Now we'll call it by using event onClick in the button of our registration form. Let's try it. Perfect. Everything works properly. Not really. Except password and its confirmation aren't valid. So now we'll work on this aspect. Just adding a new condition for ensuring password and its confirmation fields are equal or exactly the same. Let's see the result. Nice. But I have to change font color to red. Just copy the font tag, then paste it here and close this tag. Now everything okay. I'm going to try it. Very nice. Awesome. Brilliant job. Guys, our lesson is finished. You can get the source code from the description box. Any questions, just leave a comment. I'll check them later. Thanks for clicking and watching. See you in the next video. Bye.